Our journey takes us to the fairytale village of Hallstatt, Austria. Nestled against the pristine waters of Hallstätter Sea and surrounded by towering mountains, this jewel of the Alps has captivated hearts for centuries. Our first destination is the tranquil Hallstätter Sea. Stroll along the lakeside promenade, where charming pastel-colored houses reflect in the crystal-clear waters. This idyllic setting is perfect for capturing postcard-perfect views of Hallstatt. Hallstatt is an idyllic alpine town full of history, culture, and natural beauty. No matter the season you plan to visit Hallstatt, there is a plethora of activities both indoors and outdoors. From stunning views from the Skywalk viewing platform to traditional delicacies at local eateries, there's something for everyone in Hallstatt. You can stroll around the picturesque town and take in the amazing views of the mountain that tower over the buildings. Exploring the old town is the best thing to do in Hallstatt. With streets that look like they're lined with colorful gingerbread houses and a gorgeous setting on Hallstätter Sea, it's hard to believe that this place is real. Sitting right in the center of Old Town Hallstatt, Market Square is the geographical and literal heart of the village. It's hard not to be impressed by the colorful buildings circling the square, which served as the marketplace in early-day Hallstatt. Surrounded by mountain peaks, the clear alpine waters of Lake Hallstatt just beg you to get out on the water. Visit the Hallstatt Lutheran Church, a charming chapel with a spire that graces the village skyline. Next door, discover the Beinhaus or Bone House, where you'll find intricately painted skulls as part of Hallstatt's unique burial tradition. For a panoramic perspective, ascend to the Hallstatt Skywalk. Known as the World Heritage View, this platform offers breathtaking vistas of Hallstatt, the lake, and the surrounding Dachstein Alps. Arguably, the best and most popular spot to take pictures of Hallstatt is from the Hallstatt viewpoint. Take iconic shots of the stunning backdrop of this historic alpine town with the famous Hallstatt Lake in your foreground, imposing snowy mountains in the background, and the notable evangelical church and colorful houses presiding in the center. This lovely vista captures the charm and beauty of this old town. If you like our content, please do subscribe our channel for more interesting travel videos and hit the like button.